I'm Leo Dreisilker, second generation owner of Dreisilker Electric Motors. For 70 years, we have served industries with reliability, expertise, and integrity. My parents, Margaret and Henry Dreisilker, immigrated to the United States from Germany in 1953, settling in Wheaton, Illinois. With an electrical apprenticeship to his name, my dad was well prepared when the opportunity arose to purchase an electric motor and appliance repair business in 1955. He quickly focused on electric motors, selling new ones, and providing high-quality repairs and rewinding services. In those early years, my mom played a vital role in getting the business off the ground, rewinding small stators and managing the bookkeeping. As sales and service grew, my dad expanded the building and invested in new equipment, added new employees to support the company's growth. One of these investments led to a significant moment in our company's history, his discovery and purchase of thumb stripping machines from Germany. These machines allow stators to be stripped at a low temperature, eliminating the need for burnout ovens, incinerators, or torches, and setting a new standard for motor repair. This innovative stripping method, now known to us as MotorSafe, preserves the integrity of the stator laminations and housing, resulting in a faster, more energy-efficient repair process. The discovery of MotorSafe stripping, combined with advanced varnishing methods, set a new standard for motor repair, enabling us to increase uptime and improve energy efficiency for our customers.
At Dreisilker, we go beyond repairs. We engineer solutions. We work closely with our customers to analyze why their motors failed so that we can maximize their reliability and uptime. In addition to our in-house expertise, our field service team provides on-site troubleshooting, proactive reliability solutions, and expert guidance to keep our customers' operations running smoothly.
Henry Dreisilker always believed in putting customers first, ensuring they received the best service and support when they needed it most. That's why we maintain a large stock of motors, ensuring we could help the customer the very same day. That commitment continues today, getting motors into the hands of customers quickly to keep the heating and cooling systems running. Whether it's during business hours or an emergency after hours, our team is always ready to deliver the solutions our customers depend on.
Processes and technology are important, but we wouldn't be where we are today without our people or our customers. Over the years, we have had the privilege to work with many talented motor experts, some who have come to us with extensive motor knowledge and others whom we have trained from the ground up. Our team members' dedication and expertise allow us to serve the industries that keep our economy moving. From mechanical contractors ensuring essential systems stay operational, to machine tool operators driving precision manufacturing, and industrial manufacturers relying on uninterrupted performance, our customers depend on us to keep them running. At Dreisilker, our people and customers are the foundation of our success. Their expertise, trust, and commitment to reliability drive everything we do. By delivering long-lasting repairs and solutions, we help businesses keep moving forward.
Thank you to all our employees for your passion, expertise, and dedication to excellence in motor repair and sales. Your commitment to accuracy, precision, and the highest quality drives everything we do. And to our valued customers, thank you for trusting us to deliver reliability, expertise, and integrity now and for the future.